these are the latest updates in Brookhaven. These are the new updates added in Brookhaven. And when we see the banner, we can see there is a burger ban over here, and it looks pretty good now, guys. Yeah, over here near the spawn, if we talk, there are white cements and red color concrete, so it gives a Christmas theme. Over here we have Christmas tree, and actually it made the fountain hide. We can actually go inside over here and see it is telling something. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Thank you, guys. This is actually a really great spot to hide. Like you are playing hide and seek with your friend and just hide over here. No one is even gonna check because of the Christmas tree. Our fountain is hide, but no problem, guys. Next thing we over here have a grocery store over here. They have put in some gifts over here for us, and inside if we go, there are fresh over here ribbon. And guys, let me see that secret which is still there in the bakery. If you did not see my last video of Brookhaven, I showed you a coffin which was over here. Let me show you that. And yeah, it is still over here. See, guys, so nothing in the coffin, and but that freaked me a lot that time. And over here, why have they opened the fridge, bro? The ice cream will melt. Yeah, so guys, there is nothing else over here special in the grocery store. But if we see the motel, it is covered in red and white color, which gives us a Christmas theme. It is Santa's sleigh. Sadly, I do not have premium, but if I had, I could actually sponsor Santa's sleigh and go somewhere. And over here there are Christmas rings outside the motel which look really good. And because as the new update has came, they have also added burger barn over here. So over here are the welcome treats over here. You can wash your hands, or it is something which is quite weird. I don't even understand. Over here are sodas. We can, if we come over here, we can actually start making our burger, but it doesn't mind so much because we cannot even put any things over here. There is a sign over here when the car comes. It is telling waiting for our next customer. If you press over here this button, the window will be closed, and if you press it again, the window will be opened. Yeah, so that's good, guys. Over here we can do a french fries work, and I glitched. And oh, someone actually even put my photo employee of the day, but my name is not that. Yeah, I will write ATF Dark Gamer. ATF Dark Gamer. Yeah, guys, that suits me a lot. Yeah, so there is no one hiring over here, but I don't even care about it. Let's quickly go. And they have even added many presents over here, like one is a top. And bro, where are you going? By the horse. Hey bro, chill, come on, where are you going? And over here, drive through. Okay, big cheese. Our cheeseburger will be for one. $4.10. Hamburger would be for $3.6. French fry $2.30, and drink $2.65. Bro, isn't that too expensive? Click here for service. Yeah, can I get a cheeseburger? But why is there no reply? Let's do one thing, guys. I'll spawn a car over here and see if the drive through actually works or not. Maybe they will not allow if it is not placed nicely. Oh my god, I banged. Yeah, so I'll just, can I please get a cheeseburger? Nothing happened. No problem. Let's just go over here. Yeah, new person. Bro. Okay, I came inside. ATF Dark Gamer. Yeah, okay. It can show. So I'll just take over here and give. Bro, isn't that silly? Bruh, that actually does. Customer waiting at drive-thru taking orders. Customer ask for full follow. Make food. Give an order. Mention time. I don't even think so that was working nicely. Yeah, but they actually did some great things, and over um, they have even put some presents outside the bank and inside of the bank. Let me see, did they put decorate the inside of the bank over here of the elevator? So I'll just quickly take this and go through the lift, and let's quickly go. Yeah, open the door. I don't want to be stuck over here forever, dude. Come on, open the door. Oh, silly me. Hey, bro, it's the same floor. That's a glitch. I don't know why it is not working. Over here, there is a big Christmas ring which looks really good. Over here, as mirror, but I showed you that it doesn't even work nicely. And some places also have their own Christmas tree, guys. Over here, like you can see this Christmas tree. Yeah, that looks good. Like, but it is not that big. Let me see in Brookhaven School. They maybe remodeled it, and now guys, it looks great. They also added a music class. Okay, here's my guitar. Uh, can I ring it? Hey, yeah, guys, see how good I am at making guitar, bro. But actually, that was pretty good because there was no sound even coming from your study hall. Detention, guys. This is a detention class. Hey, that's basketball class. That looks pretty good, guys. I love sports. Let's quickly see. Everything is saying and English. Hey, what is this? They added a new science class over here. We can actually do experiments. That looks really good. Yeah, over here it is basketball. What if we do pool? Okay, gymnastics. Yeah, I will change them. And dance, I don't want to do dance. Actually, basketball was good. Yeah, so I did basketball. Home of dogs. Okay. Oh, a football field isn't remodeled. I'm telling that's unfair, bro. At least they should have remodeled a football field. But no, bro. No, no, no. I'm gonna do a own goal. Bro, I did a own goal. I don't even know how to play football in the game in real life. I am one of the bestest players in my home, like where I go for classes. It's okay, bro. I cannot play nicely in football over there. So let's just quickly come out. That's more than enough. Yeah, so nothing over here in the school. I thought there would be some good things, nothing but yeah. So guys, this much is our new update, nothing special. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, see my other videos that you will enjoy them. Till that time, bye bye guys.